You've been holding it all together, but shoulders are up, heart guarded, mind on overdrive, because the body can't fake softness. Puppy pose, or Utthana Shishasana in Sanskrit, reminds you that strength isn't just about standing tall. It's about learning to bow with an open heart. Puppy pose melts tension across the chest and shoulders and spine. It releases the weight you've been carrying in your upper body, physically, mentally, and emotionally. With each breath, like the walls dissolve and space returns. To get into puppy pose, come into a tabletop position. First, walk your knees backwards behind your hips a little bit. Reach forward, keep your arms as straight as you can, and start to lower your chest down towards the mat. Rest your head wherever it rests. Forehead, face, chin looking forward, and then just relax. This isn't just a stretch, it's devotion in motion. Do this pose when you need to release control, open your heart, and let yourself be supported by something bigger. One pose, 1 minute, melt the armor.